Hey guys! Learn Spanish through exciting 360 degrees VR videos. Move your mouse or finger on the video to explore in 360 degrees. Look for items according to Spanish words. Find here.
Estadio. Estadio.
Stadium. Stadium.
Find here.
Público. Público.
Public. Public.
Find here.
La cancha de fútbol. La cancha de fútbol.
Soccer field. Soccer field.
Find here.
Las gradas. Las gradas.
Places. Places.
Find here.
Luz azul. Luz azul.
Blue light. Blue light.
Find here.
Jugadores de fútbol. Jugadores de fútbol.
Soccer players. Soccer players.
Find here.
Marcador digital. Marcador digital.
Digital scoreboard. Digital scoreboard.
Find here.
Estructuras metálicas. Estructuras metálicas.
Metal structures. Metal structures.
Find here.
Luz naranja. Luz naranja.
Orange light. Orange light.
Find here.
Noche. Noche.
Night. Night.
Find here.
Partido. Partido.
Match. Match.
Find here.
Círculo central. Círculo central.
Center circle. Center circle.
Did you like it?